with my intro. Started over. I was about to say what's up, but okay, guys, started over. I keep messing up.
Stop messing up, girl, baby girl.
I'm sorry. What's up, guys? Ooh. Guys, I said what's up. What's up, guys? It's your girl, Living with Naya. Y'all see, I'm in the kitchen. So I'm in the kitchen right now. And so y'all probably like, what you cooking today? So right now it is 10:12 at night. That don't even make sense kind of to me. But okay, so I'm gonna be cooking, what is it called, guys?
Funnel cake.
A funnel cake. So guys, I'm gonna be cooking a funnel cake today. Nope, please don't come in. Please don't come in my video. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna be making a funnel cake. Here, everybody come. Okay, today I'm gonna be making a funnel cake. Guys, I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm back. So let me show y'all the ingredients I'm making. I'm making a funnel cake today. And so I have some pancakes batter, and then you want to have a little bowl to mix it, and then you want to have like a thing where you could squish out the pancake mix when you mix it all together. And then you want to add an egg to make it fluffy. And then you want to have like a skillet. I think you should say that. A skillet to put the oil in. And then guys, you want to have a plate on the side to take it out. Oh, and I forgot to. Hold on, guys, I forgot to get some. And then guys, you want to have this little thingy. I don't know what to call it. A spun. I don't know. And then, did I show y'all? Yeah. Do you want to have like a plate? I think something like that. Did I say that? And then you want to have the what is this called? Powdered sugar. Sorry. And we have powdered sugar, and we just put the whole thing in here. And guys, actually, it's powdered sugar. It's not no we made the sugar, so. Guys, it's actually powdered sugar. So let me set the camera up, and we're gonna get it started.
But if I'm gonna do it, it's the
no, you're not gonna do. Oh, my sister's gonna. Oh yeah, sorry. My sister's gonna help out. Yeah. Wait, stand up so they don't think you. Y'all, today y'all didn't know it's the cow thing, so she worked the cow. Okay, so she's gonna be helping me with the powdered sugar. Like usually she put on the powdered sugar for me. So you ready? Bam.
Cause that's my job.
Okay, so guys, let me set the camera up, and we'll be back. Okay, guys. So right now I have my bowl, and then you want to put the pancake mix. And so guys, I'm about to put this in speed because it's not too much for pancake mix. So okay, so guys, while I got the oil getting heated, I should say. So you want to put the mix in a container. You could put it in a plastic bag. You could put it in like a glove, cut the glove up. So guys, you could use it like that, but I prefer you to use this because it's more easier. But yeah, so you want to pour it in here, just like so. So guys, that should be enough. I made a little bit too much, but that'd be fine. I'll be making my Oreos for my other peoples over here. Sorry for the noise in the background. My brother playing 2K, and you know how they be. If you have sisters, what? If you have brothers or anything, yeah, you will understand. So guys, yeah, just shake it up, just like that. So now we just wait until the grease or oil get ready. Be back. So I left it on too long. So you don't want it this much, but it's fine. Right? Ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's get started. Okay, guys, so it's ready. I know it was popping a lot, but I cooled it down so it won't be popping on Caitlin, right? Okay, so, guys, I have to get the powdered sugar on the side, right there. As you can see. See powdered sugar?
Yeah.
Okay, face this. You already know, Caitlin. Get it? Okay, so you want to go around like an 8. So, just like an 8. You want to go just like an 8, just like that.
No, colors look like yellow.
You want to go around just like an 8, because if you make a circle, it will make dots. And that's how you want it, just like that, guys.
Yeah. What's about the Oreos?
We're going to do Oreos later, but we're not going to do it on camera. So, guys, you want to have it just like that. So, it could be, good. And you don't want to go around in circles, because if you go around in circles, it's like going to bubble. It's not going to be what's it called? But it's not ready. Caitlin, you can't do that. Hold on.
I didn't mean to do that.
Sorry, guys. Show me. Sorry, guys. It's my little sister doing the camera for me right now. So if she messes up, it's going to be. Okay. Have it right there.
It's burning.
Okay, guys. So guys, yeah. That's how you want it. No, Caitlin, you're too short. Okay, so right now you want to have it just like that. She's not a good camera lady. So guys, it's really not ready to flip for the funnel cake, but you don't want to go in circles, right, Caitlin? She big man right now, but it's gonna be fine. I need you to film when I'm flipping it. But let me see if it's ready to flip though. Nope, it's not ready. It's not ready to flip. So guys, yeah, it's gonna take a minute, and plus I have it on 4. So guys, yeah, it's gonna be taking a minute because you don't want your cooking to be horrible. Look how close it is. But guys, you can't lie, this look good though when it's like with everything. It's gonna be good. So I'll get back to y'all when it's ready to get flipped. Okay guys, it's not ready to flip, but I'm just gonna flip it just so I can show y'all. So it just comes like that. Then guys, no, this always happens. I'm gonna fix it. Let's see if I can fix it, guys. Oh my goodness, can I fix it? And I fixed it, guys. That always happens. Come a little closer, right there. Guys, that always happens. I'm so sorry, but yeah, that's how you kind of. So this is kind of how you want your funnel cake. It's so good. It looks so good, guys. This is how your funnel cake needs to be and always needs to be. So now I'm about to put this mug in fast. Okay? Okay.
Baby, flip it over. Why you do that? Because it's something like hurt me.
Oh, my camera.